Ito pong sinasabi na, full rehabilitation po ng EDSA, talaga ho bang
Yes.
totoo na ito at meron na ho ba ditong detailed plan kung paano po ito ipatutupad?
Ted, I think umpisa namin sa total rehabilitation ng EDSA this year, no?
Mm-mm.
Kasi, well, if you notice, actually, ang ginagawa lang sa EDSA has been yung mga parating reblocking. And if magiging perpetual reblocking na lang, if we don't have a massive rehabilitation of EDSA. So, I think ang natin dito, purpose natin is to once and for all rehabilitate EDSA para maiwasan natin yung mga perpetual reblocking natin. So, and we will improve also yung drainage system, especially doon sa mga parating nababaha. Mga ganun.
Kasi po, if you also remember, panahon ni Pangulong Arroyo, panahon ni Secretary Soriques, di ba? I'm sure nandun pa yata kayo noon sa DPWH. Pinag-usapan na yan, di ba? Yung total rehab ng EDSA.
Yes, Ted. Yes, Ted. Yes.
Oh.
I know. I was there. Actually, I was the one who negotiated a loan from the Asian Development Bank for the total rehabilitation of EDSA, but somehow along the way, because of issues that came out, so hindi natuloy yung unfortunately hindi natuloy yung
Opo. Hindi nga po natutuloy lagi kasi basically po ang pinoproblema talaga dito yung traffic management. Ngayon pa lang po, talaga bang meron na itong plano and how will you go about the traffic management? Although, naunawaan po naman talaga namin kung walang sakripisyo, hindi talaga ito maaayos. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, initially, even last year, we have already discussed initially with the Metropolitan Development Authority about the plan and the program we intend to implement this year. No, sabi ng MMDA, sige pag-usapan natin in details on how we can implement a traffic management that least disturbance of traffic. So ito yung we will put it into we'll discuss this again with them in detail para may layout namin kung ano yung traffic management plan